Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit an image in Google Docs. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, select the image, click on these three dots right here which says Image Options, and then click on All Image Options. Here you can adjust size and rotation, text wrapping, recolor, adjustments, or alt text. So drop this menu and you can adjust the size, width, height, width scale, high scale. So adjust it to your liking. You can also make the aspect ratio locked or unlock it for distortion. You can also rotate your image like so. You can do it by these manual controls right here as well. So do it like this. Or you can just rotate 90 degrees like so. Now another option is text wrapping. So you can make it in line with text, wrap text around the image, break the text, or make it behind or in front of the text. Now if you go down, you have the position, so you can select move with text or fix position on page. So you can simply have it anywhere you like if you select fix position on page. Now you can just choose from these quick layouts if you want, and you can recolor it if you want. As you can see, you can make a different color. You can make adjustments like opacity, brightness, contrast, or reset it if you want. You can also give it alternate text description if you want, and that's about it. So this is how you edit your image in Google Docs. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.